If you're one of those bold brides who cannot picture herself wearing a red lehenga or sari on her wedding day, this video is for you. People may ask, if not red, then what else are your options? Let's bring back some color to the bridal look and break the predictability. Let's introduce some more real bridal colors for your lehenga which will suit the Indian skin tone well and also glam up the party. So, here are a few more options for all the bride to best so that they look no less than $1 million on one of the most important days of their lives. One, pastel pink. Pastel pink is the best option which goes well with all Indian skin tones. But if you are opting for pastel pink colored lehenga, make sure you don't opt for a updo style, as the color of the lehenga is very light, sweet, and calming. You should opt for a hairstyle which would add black to it. Do golden. Oh yes, golden is the color which can totally replace red in a wedding. Although earlier golden was not the color for brides, many designers like Manish Malhotra have been experimenting with lehenga and bridal outfits with golden color as the base. Models walk the ramp wearing gold tone lehenga, and this color has gained much popularity among the new brides who dared to wear golden on their important day. Golden or shimmer lehenga goes well with Indian skin tones as well. 3. Orange. Orange is no more a dark bold color. If you are a true fashion seeker, you have read many articles from random sources on how to rock this bold color, isn't it? Then how can we miss out orange from this list? Fresh bright orange with some citrus shades helps to neutralize the lehenga, which absolutely goes well with the Indian skin tone. Things to remember is don't use much gold over it. Designer jewelry goes well with the dress and you look jhakas. 4. Blue. Blue is one of the warm colors which help to intensify the look of a person. It will be hard for you to find a person who does not love this color and is hunting for a blue dress. Blue is one of the bridal colors which help to make you look bright. Do you know that few colors are good for clicking photographs? Blue is one such color. 5. Bronze. Bronze or any metallic color also looks gorgeous if worn on the wedding day. Bronze-colored bridal wear should always be complemented with mineral or subtle makeup. Combinations are the key to wear bronze. To highlight the dress, pair it with a good neckpiece and a drop earring. It is your wedding and you would obviously get loaded with jewelry throughout the body, but avoid the jada-style necklaces or queen-styled ornaments. This type of huge jewelry does not make your lehenga highlighted and also look shabby and overloaded. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Keep watching and stay with us subscribing to this channel. Have a great day.